My name is Kiernan. I am Commercial Director of Dawson Shanahan, Wales. We are an engineering subcontractor specialising in machining and cold forming, supplying a wide range of industries and customers worldwide. We've made this video to show our customers and potential customers our manufacturing facility, knowledge and capability. The aim is to show the benefits that we can offer in consistency of quality and delivery, speed of production where we take a customer's drawing and whether it be in a paper format or a CAD file which we can then interrogate, whether it be IGES or STEP, to produce prototype and then eventually lead into volume production, both high and low. Choice and flexibility is also a major offering that we can do. We have a wide range of processes and therefore we can offer our customer a one-stop shop. In addition to this, where we can't offer a process, we have the knowledge and experience to work with partners in subcontracting so we can manage and control the whole process. Finally is innovation. We have 70 years experience in cold forming and machining. We have developed processes over the years that offer cost-effective solutions. This is all supported by a willingness to invest in new technology, our people, our apprenticeships and training schemes. Quality is a prerequisite for any business. At Dawson Shanahan, we are accredited to the latest ISO standards, including in automotive and environmental, and operate in line with both APQP and CGMP. We also offer real-time SPC, FMEA and control plans for our manufacturing processes. We have a fully equipped inspection department with CMM, surface measurement, hardness measurement and a range of other measuring equipment. Our design engineers work with our customers using the latest CAD software. We can take customer files in IGES or STEP format, which we will then use to design our tooling, program our CNC machine tools, and use for our cold forming simulation to develop and design a manufacturing process. To provide our customers with an in-house tool-making facility is very important for Dawson Shanahan as well as our customers. We have a range of CNC wire erosion, die sinking, surface grinding, milling and turning equipment, as well as a fitting section for our production area. Our cold forming process gives benefits in material savings, as well as savings in machining time. In addition to this, we can rationalise our material stocks, which is achieved through producing many customer parts from one bar stock. In our cold forming process, at the very start is billet preparation. We have various manufacturing techniques to prepare a billet. A conventional saw can be used with a minimal amount of waste. Moving on to our flow cropper, which can crop with zero scrap. In addition to this, we have transfer headers that can produce a zero scrap billet and also put some form onto the part prior to subsequent operations. Our cold forming section is quite extensive. We have a range of vertical hydraulic presses up to 600 tonnes, complemented with newer CNC presses. In addition to this, we have a range of heading machines with 5 and 3 blow. To complement our CNC turning capacity, we have a wide range of milling machines. These milling machines consist of conventional vertical machines as well as horizontal. Some of these machines are fitted with pallet loading as well as 4th and 5th axis machining. At Dawson Shanahan, we have built up a wide range of CNC turning capacity, ranging from single spindle, twin spindle with powered tooling. A recent investment is a sliding head, and also special purpose CNC turning cells. Our investment in a Triflex modular milling machine has enabled us to keep pace with the increasing demand from our automotive customer for machine die castings. We started production on this part on a conventional horizontal twin pallet machine. As volumes increased, we then moved to the Triflex machine, which enabled us to increase output by 300%. Dawson Medical have been working for over 10 years on a needleless injection system. This needleless injection system consists of a firing mechanism which includes a chamber and a ram. These are key components that Dawson Medical have been working on and developed process to manufacture them. The requirements are very exacting. The chamber requires a very, very fine surface finish in the bore, and so does the ram, which forms the firing mechanism. Also, the company has developed machines to specially grind to those demanding standards. These machines are auto bowl fed with inline inspection equipment. This investment over 10 years has been very significant, but made major inroads for Dawson Shanahan in the medical industry. Further evidence of our willingness to invest and our wide range of manufacturing processes is our recent investment in a new centerless grinding machine and cell. This investment is to supply large volume brake pistons for the automotive industry. Some of our customers have very demanding cleanliness specifications, down to parts per million, with the minimum amount of debris in their products. In order to achieve this, we have invested significantly in solvent-based systems which are closed loop, therefore environmentally friendly, and also aqueous cleaning systems where we monitor the level of cleanliness in the customer's parts. In addition to be able to turn and mill components, get them heat treated, we also supply an assembly service where we gather the components that we have machined and bring together springs, and it may be screws and ball bearings, and assemble components. This enables our customer to come to us as a final one-stop shop. As well as being able to do this, we also do assembly of O-rings in other areas and other customers, and carry out pressure testing to ensure that our customers' products have the integrity required for their application. In addition to cold forming and CNC machining, we offer a range of finishing operations. They include laser marking, where we date code and batch code our customers' parts, finishing using vibro polishing methods to give good surface finishes, and also atmosphere controlled annealing and brazing. When we come to packaging dispatch of our components to our customers, we can offer a range of packaging solutions, whether it be customer specified or whether it be quite simply a standard packaging solution we have. We can also offer vacuum sealing. When we dispatch our products, because we're a major exporter, we can offer a range of Incoterms, from ex-works to DDU, and also consignment stock.